You're watching Weekly Design News, and this is Getsy's. Let's go! Facebook was gone for a few hours. The world was shocked. Stocks went down. But this is a no-brainer. Sometimes services stop working for various reasons. What could be the beginning of the end or a new allegation against Facebook? When we imagine an AI-induced apocalypse, you undoubtedly imagine a superior kind of intelligence. But it could also be as simple as Facebook's ranking algorithms. And the new allegations against Facebook are probably the best illustration of that.
But I'm here today because I believe Facebook's products harm children, stoke division, and weaken our democracy.
Franz Haugen, a former data scientist at Facebook, has published a series of documents about how the social network works.
But its own research is showing that content that is hateful, that is divisive, that is polarizing, it's easier to inspire people to anger than it is to other emotions.
The main points: Facebook algorithms intentionally shows users things that makes them angry. Facebook's algorithm chooses content that is likely to make users angry because it generates the most engagement, and user engagement is what Facebook converts into ad revenue. Case in point, one of the documents Haugen smuggled out of the company reveals that political parties in Europe had to start running negative ads, just to get any engagement at all on Facebook. If you have been living under a rock, you might have missed the Netflix show Squid Game taking over the world. Overall, the series is okay, more than okay. Entertaining, good art direction, good acting performance. But what caught my attention is the staircase. The first time I saw anything like it was in the movie Labyrinth with David Bowie. It was only later that I learned about the artwork Relativity by Escher. And I have to say that visually it's one of the best scenes I have ever seen. Vibrant colors with a hypnotic look. And rethinking classic art and giving new life to it is a great source of inspiration. And this series are full of those things. Just watch it and you will enjoy. I created a free mini course, Find Your Niche, without sacrificing your dreams. And it's free. And I promise you, it will serve its purpose. Do not miss out on this opportunity. The link is in the description. Balenciaga is nailing it. From a nearly extinct, outdated fashion house, it became the #1 fashion brand in the world. And it's all thanks to one man, Damna Gvasalia.
This is the saddest thing I've ever heard. And I grew up in the Soviet Union.
A Georgian designer, the first person from the former Soviet Union to make it this far in the fashion industry. You may be wondering why he is so special. I'm just going to mention some marketing campaigns of the last 3 months. Kanye West's Donda listening parties were directed by Gvasalia. Kim Kardashian's mask appearance was designed by Gvasalia. And now this. Balenciaga transforms its new runaway into an exclusive The Simpsons episode. And that's just the last few months. Damna has already been named Designer of Decade. So you want to know what design trends are? Follow the Damna. Microsoft released a new Windows version, and it became similar to macOS. Dock start menu. Yes, no doubt they have some cool things of their own, like split screen option and so on. But overall, all products are moving in the same direction and naturally interfaces are becoming similar. That's not a bad thing if we think of users, uniformity, consistency, ease of learning, and etc. But I just wonder if that is driven by research and innovation. We're just trying to mimic trends and popular solutions and not taking the risk, playing it safe by replicating the most popular solutions. I really love it when big brands get into advertising battles.
Hi there. Are you a big Apple fan?
I am.
Yeah, all Apple.
Apple.
I'm an Apple girl in the Apple world. I am 100% loyal to Apple.
It was not Apple. That is a PC powered by Intel.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
This time it seems like someone has had a bad breakup after Apple decided to part ways with Intel a few years ago and make its own chips. Intel is trying to prove that decision was wrong. And the ad looks a bit cringe. I see it more as an attempt to convince PC users that they made a good choice. I doubt the ad is aimed at Mac users. And there's a saying, winners focus on winning and losers focus on winners. Yet again, new update for the car brand. This time is Cadillac. Well, now you know. Is it something important? Not really. Just a good move to meet the technical requirements of 21st age. Apple released the updated San Francisco Symbols third version for public use. And Symbols 3 brings improved color customization capabilities, giving you more control on how icons would be adapted for your app. I recall when I started my career, I needed to draw each icon, each single icon, and no libraries, no frameworks, nothing. Well, the only one was Webding's font. Nowadays, everything seems to be a bit easier when it comes to visual assets. And that's good and bad. Good that you can create a really great looking websites, apps in a matter of, few months. Bad that all of them looks the same. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you should definitely check my free course.